Hello everyone, myself Akash, pursuing my degree at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering at Department of Electronics and Communication. Today I'll be discussing about the topic air pollution, its effects and control. Introduction to air pollution. Air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substance in the air that can have detrimental effects on human health and environment. Sources of air pollution include industrial activities, vehicle emission, and natural sources like wildfires and volcanic eruptions. The World Health Organization considers air pollution as the signal of the single greatest environmental health risk. Types of air pollutants. Common air pollutants include particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and ozone. Particulate matter is a mixture of solid particles and liquid droplets suspended in air which can penetrate deep into the lungs. Ground level ozone, a key component of smog, is formed when pollutants react with sunlight. Health effects of air pollution. Short-term exposure to air pollution can cause respiratory issues, exacerbate asthma, and lead to cardiovascular problems. Long-term exposure to air pollution is linked to lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. Children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions are particularly vulnerable to the effects of air pollution. Environmental effects of air pollution. Air pollution can harm ecosystems by damaging plant life, reducing biodiversity, and contributing to acid rain. Acid rain, a result of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide emissions, can acidify soil and water bodies, harming aquatic life. Ozone depletion caused by air pollutants like chlorofluorocarbons can lead to increased UV radiations exposure and damage to the ozone layer. Control measures for air pollution. Regulatory measures such as emission standards and pollution control technologies aim to limit the release of harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. Transitioning to cleaner energy sources such as renewable energy and electric vehicles can help reduce the air pollution. Public awareness campaign and individual actions like carpooling and reducing energy consumption play a crucial role in mitigating air pollution. Industrial solutions for air pollution control. Installing pollution control devices like scrubbers and filters can capture and remove pollutants from industrial emissions. Implementing cleaner production processes and technologies can reduce the generation of air pollutants at the source. Engaging in emissions trading programs and investing in sustainable practices can incentivize industries to reduce their environmental impact. Transportation solutions for air pollution control. Promoting public transportation, cycling, and walking can help reduce vehicle emissions and elevate traffic congestion. Adopting fuel efficient vehicles, hybrid cars, and electric vehicles can lower greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality. Implementing urban planning strategies such as creating pedestrian friendly cities and expanding green spaces can help combat air pollution from transportation sources. Agricultural solutions for air pollution control. Implementing precision agriculture techniques can optimize the fertilizers use and reduce agricultural emission of nitrogen oxides and ammonia. Adopting sustainable farming practices like crop rotation and cover cropping can improve soil health and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Managing livestock waste through proper storage and treatment methods can minimize ammonia emission and prevent air pollution. International effects to address air pollution. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals includes targets to improve air quality, reduce pollution, and promote sustainable cities and communities. The Paris Agreement aims to limit global temperature rise by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to air pollution and climate change. International collaborations such as the Clean Air Initiative for Asian cities and European Union's Clean Air Policy focus on sharing best practices and implementing air quality management strategies. Technologies for air pollution monitoring. Air quality monitoring stations measure concentrations of air pollutants in the air, providing real-time data to assess air quality levels. Remote sensing technologies like satellite drones can monitor air pollution levels over large geographic areas and identify sources of pollution. Sensor networks and mobile apps enable citizens to access air quality information and can contribute to crowdsourced data collection efforts. Policy and legislation for air pollution control. Governments enact air quality standards and regulations to limit emission of harmful pollutants and protect public health. The Clean Air Act in the United Nations states and the Air Quality Directive in the European Union are examples of legislative frameworks that aim to reduce air pollution. International agreements such as Kyoto Protocol and Montreal Protocol set targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and phasing out ozone depleting substances. Indoor air pollution and health impacts. Indoor air pollution sources include tobacco smoke, household cleaning products, cooking emissions, and building materials. Prolonged exposure to indoor air pollutants can cause respiratory diseases, allergies, and other health issues. Improving indoor air quality through ventilation, air filtration, and reducing sources of pollution can help protect occupants from the harmful effects of indoor air pollution. Air pollution and climate change. Air pollutants like carbon dioxide and methane contribute to global warming and climate change by trapping heat in the atmosphere. The interplay between air pollution and climate change can amplify the impacts on human health, ecosystem, and weather patterns. Addressing air pollution and reducing greenhouse gas emissions are critical for mitigating climate change and protecting the environment. Economic impact of air pollution. Air pollution imposes significant economic costs through healthcare expenses, lost productivity, and damage to infrastructure. Community actions to combat the air pollution. Collaborating with community organizations, school, and business to promote sustainable practices and reduce emissions can create a positive impact on air quality. Future trend in air pollution control. Advancement in technology such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and machine learning are being utilized for air quality monitoring and pollution control. The shift towards sustainable development and green initiative is the driving adoption of renewable energy sources and eco-friendly practices to reduce air pollution. Case studies on successful air pollution control program. The Clean Air Act in the United States has led to significant reductions in the air pollution like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and lead, improving air quality and public health. Public health interviews for air pollution management. Public health campaigns promoting awareness of air pollution risk and providing guidance on reducing exposure can empower individuals to protect their health. Challenges and opportunities. Balancing economic development with environmental protection poses challenges in implementing stringent air pollution and measures, especially in developing countries. Conclusion and call to action. Air pollution is a global issue with profound impacts on human health, the environment, and sustainable development. By taking collective actions to reduce air pollution emission, promote clean energy solutions, and protect air quality, create a healthier and more sustainable future for all. Thank you.